Do you also want to let your money grow without doing any work? Then investing may be the right match for you. Investing makes your money grow automatically. In this video, we will be telling you the 9 best investments that could make you rich without doing any work. So now let's start. 1. Savings account with a high yield. Consider creating a high-yield savings account if you want your money to earn better returns but are hesitant to invest. When compared to a typical savings account, a high-yield savings account has a substantially higher annual percentage yield, APY, allowing you to earn the most return on your funds without taking on the risk of investing it. Looking around for multiple options is a smart idea if you're looking for a high-yield savings account. Various financial organizations, like CIT Accelerated Savings, will offer a range of APYs, but choosing the account with the highest APY, or you may say annual percentage yield, isn't always the best option. To choose the finest high-yield savings account, thoroughly read the conditions of each account you are considering. Pay attention to details like minimum balance requirements or yearly fees. 2. 401k. A 401k retirement plan is frequently provided as a part of the benefits package by American firms. With a 401k, a specific portion of your income will be withheld for a contribution. Depending on the kind of plan, this contribution may be pre- or post-tax. Traditional 401k contributions are pre-tax, which lowers your taxable income but means you'll have to pay taxes when you take money out of the account in retirement. You won't have to pay taxes on your money when you reach retirement age since Roth 401k contributions are taxed up front. Up to a certain percentage of your salary, your employer might match your contributions. For instance, if you make $50,000 and your employer will match 100% of the first 6% of what you put in, you'll get $3,000 annually as long as you put in at least that much yourself. For the 2023 tax year, an employee may contribute up to $22,500. If you want to know more financial news, then do subscribe our channel and also press the like button. 3. Certificates of deposit, CDs, for short-term deposits. A savings account type called a certificate of deposit provides a greater annual percentage yield, APY, than a conventional savings account does. You put a big sum of money into a CD for a certain period of time. You cannot use the money while the account is open without incurring fees. You may take the money out or put it into another CD whenever the current one matures. The duration of a CD might be anywhere from 6 months to 5 years. A greater APY is often offered by longer-term CDs. Bank CDs are protected up to $250,000 per client by federally insured institutions. 4. Money market accounts, MMA. A money market account, a sort of savings account that offers a greater APY than a standard one, is another low-risk choice. Additional advantages of MMAs include the ability to write checks or use a debit card, so you can get to the money when you need it. With a competitive money market account option from Quantic Adaptive Digital Bank, you may save money with minimal risk and have quick access to it via a debit card or check writing skills. You can also earn a greater annual percentage yield, APY, than with a standard savings account. 5. Mutual fund investments. Investing in a mutual fund may be a better option than placing your savings in individual funds. When you purchase shares in a mutual fund, a management chooses where to put the money. By avoiding placing all your eggs in one basket, you may diversify your assets thanks to this. You'll probably invest more money in stocks while you're younger since they carry a higher level of risk but also have a greater potential for long-term profit. A majority of bonds, which are lower risk and can help ensure you'll have a stable income in retirement, will replace other investments as you get closer to retirement age. By selecting a target date mutual fund, you have the option to specify your retirement date, which will allow the fund to concentrate mostly on equities while you are still young and shift to bonds as you approach closer to retirement. Once again, I would like to remind you to subscribe our channel. 6. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, are like index funds in that they follow a particular market index, such as the S&P 500. The distinction is that, like individual stocks on a stock exchange, investors purchase and sell ETFs throughout the day at varying share prices. ETFs often cost less to buy and administer than mutual funds, and some brokerage houses even offer them with no commission. 7. Robo-advisors. An advisor that invests money on your behalf based on your goals is known as a robo-advisor, which is driven by algorithms. They are perfect for first-time investors since they allow you to delegate management of your investments. When compared to employing a typical human advisor or broker, robo-advisors have reduced commission fees, making them the best option for novices with tight budgets. A newcomer to the market, Q.ai, does not presently levy fees but does need a minimum investment. 8. Index funds. Comparable to mutual funds are index funds. An index fund, on the other hand, will place money within a specified market index rather than letting a manager decide where to invest the cash. For instance, an S&P 500 index fund would buy equities that are part of this market index, which consists of about 500 of the best-performing American corporations. A minimal investment amount is frequently required for index funds. You can earn up to $700 when an account is started and filled using a J.P. Morgan self-directed investing account, while some reputable brokerage platforms also permit investing without a minimum in index funds. 9. Apps for investing. Acorns, Betterment, M1 Finance, or Robinhood are a few examples of investment apps that are a suitable choice for beginners. You may make deposits using these applications by rounding up, adding your debit or credit card, or setting up regular transactions. You may, for instance, link your card to Acorns, which will automatically round up transactions to the closest dollar and put the change in your account. Your money is invested in ETFs by the app, which serves as a robo-advisor until you reach $5. If you want to dip your toes in the water and explore investing without committing a sizable chunk of money, this method is a good choice. That's all for today. Now you know all the 9 best investments you could make in 2023. Make these investments as soon as possible. One more suggestion I have, that is, if you are interested in more financial news, then do subscribe our channel and also press the like button. Add a comment below if you are left with any query. Thank you for watching till here.